Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, insights, and deep dives into the newest motorcycles shaping the future of two-wheeled riding. Today, we explore the brand new Yamaha Drag Star 250, 2026, a bike that brings back the timeless charm of classic cruisers with modern engineering, refined comfort, and enhanced performance. This model marks Yamaha's effort to restore the legendary Drag Star legacy while creating a machine suitable for both seasoned riders and new enthusiasts. A modern classic reborn. The 2026 Drag Star 250 stays true to its heritage with a low-slung cruiser stance, stretched wheelbase, and a relaxed riding posture that has always appealed to long-distance riders. Yamaha has carefully preserved the soul of the original model while integrating updates that elevate its handling, durability, and practicality for today's roads. From the sculpted tank to the chrome accents and signature cruiser silhouette, the Drag Star 250 delivers an unmistakable presence. Its design language strikes the perfect balance between vintage charm and fresh identity, making it ideal for riders who value style without sacrificing modern functionality. Engine and performance. Powering the new Drag Star 250 is a refined 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine that delivers smooth torque, predictable acceleration, and impressive fuel efficiency. Yamaha has optimized the combustion process for cleaner emissions and stronger low-end pull, ensuring that the bike responds confidently in both city traffic and open-road cruising. The engine's character remains classic, linear, calm, and composed, yet noticeably more refined than previous versions thanks to improved vibration damping and updated ignition mapping. The 5-speed gearbox has also received enhancements for smoother shifts and better mechanical feel. Whether you're navigating slow-moving streets or cruising effortlessly at moderate highway speeds, the Drag Star 250 provides a stable and controlled ride. Yamaha designed this bike to prioritize user-friendly performance, making it an excellent option for beginners while still delivering satisfying torque for experienced riders. Chassis, handling, and ride comfort. The 2026 Drag Star 250 features an upgraded steel frame built for increased rigidity and improved balance, offering more confidence when cornering and enhanced durability over long-term use. With its low seat height and neutral steering geometry, the bike remains extremely approachable for riders of all sizes. Maneuvering through traffic, parking in tight spots, and handling low-speed turns all feel natural and effortless. Suspension components include a telescopic front fork tuned for softness and twin rear shocks with preload adjustment, allowing the rider to fine-tune comfort according to load or personal preference. The result is a plush, smooth ride ideal for daily commutes and relaxed touring. Braking performance has also been modernized with a front disc brake featuring improved calipers and a rear drum brake engineered for stability. Yamaha's lightweight design approach ensures that the bike never feels heavy or overwhelming, especially in stop-and-go situations. Design details and rider experience. Yamaha has emphasized craftsmanship with premium touches such as chrome-lined components, a retro-inspired speedometer, and classic white handlebars that enhance the cruiser aesthetic. The newly designed seat provides generous cushioning for both rider and passenger, ensuring long-distance comfort. The bike's ergonomics encourage a natural riding posture with mid-set foot controls that reduce fatigue during extended trips. While the overall look remains nostalgic, subtle modern elements add convenience. LED lighting improves visibility, and the redesigned tank now holds slightly more fuel, contributing to better touring capability. The Drag Star 250 retains its iconic cruiser identity while incorporating just enough modern upgrades to satisfy the expectations of today's riders. Technology and features. Although Yamaha has kept the Drag Star 250 simple to preserve its retro spirit, the 2026 model includes essential features that enhance daily usability. A compact digital display sits alongside the analog gauge, providing information such as fuel level, gear position, and maintenance indicators. The electrical system has been updated for stronger battery efficiency, and optional accessories such as saddlebags, engine guards, and touring windshields allow riders to customize the bike according to their lifestyle. Conclusion. The new Yamaha Drag Star 250, 2026, is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, designed for riders seeking a dependable cruiser with timeless style. Yamaha has successfully revived the Drag Star legacy with a machine that is comfortable, efficient, and full of character. Whether you're a new rider entering the cruiser world or a seasoned enthusiast looking for a stylish everyday companion, the Drag Star 250 delivers an inspiring and enjoyable riding experience.